Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Adobe Illustrator not being able to install. So obviously open file location. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to redo that, but I'm just going to open the file location here, and I'm just going to right click on the Adobe thingy, right click, and you're just going to simply select run as administrator and it'll work. But that is pretty much it. You just need to actually press run as administrator on the app to get Adobe to be installed. And then you can just open the file. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.